core values of our organization are tied together, but there's 5 core values that we try to live by. And the first is integrity. I think that's a big thing that clients want from a builder, is someone they can trust, the transparency, and being present. You know, they know what's going on. The second thing is excellence. We want to be excellent in everything that we do here at Noble Renovation. We want to be excellent at designing our projects. We want to be excellent at doing the proposal, all the estimating that's involved, giving them an excellent experience, treating everyone in the process with, our best. And I think that delivers a great experience for the homeowner and everyone involved. The third value that we have is taking responsibility for something that may go wrong. In remodeling, there's always that opportunity that things don't always go the way you hoped. There's too many moving parts, and it sets itself up for miscommunication or something doesn't go quite right. Homeowners see everything that we do, so that's what makes remodeling really unique. Is they often live through the renovation, they see everything, and taking responsibility of just owning our mistakes and moving forward, to never ever argue with our client. The next thing is respect. We want to obviously have respect for our homeowner. We want to have respect for one another, our trade partners. We want to have respect for the homeowner's property, their neighbors, their children, their possessions, pets. There's just a lot of things that we have to manage in a remodel. Just being respectful to one another is huge. And the last thing is make it right. We borrowed that from the gentleman on TV, Mike. Make it right. I love that because it's just right to the point. Make it right, and that's in everything. Make your design right. Make the problem go away. Make it right. Well, one, I hate doing things twice. It kind of hurts the soul a little bit, having to put the effort forward and then it's not right, and having to do it a second time and experiencing how painful it is to everyone in the process. That it delays, it creates scheduling problems. You have to answer to the client, why is this not right? So I would say that's how one core value for sure, make it right, do it excellent, respect what you're doing and everyone around you, because everyone's impacted when it doesn't go right. So that's just something I have a passion for. Everybody that works for us knows that. And so we really harp on the details. The details will bite you in this business, and so you just have to be attentive into everything that you're responsible for. Do the right thing when no one's looking. That's what I tell my team all the time. Is that speaks to the integrity, the transparency that we talk about. That speaks to excellence. That speaks to respect. All these things come together. By make it right and make the homeowner happy. So that's what we try to do.